Hello everyone, this is Bubu and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw these two cute crabs. Believe me, this is very easy. I use some simple lines and simple shape and everyone will be able to do this amazing art. Please be ready with your pencil or marker and let's jump into drawing. And Bubu will stay here. Okay, I have my marker here. Now, I will make two circles as the eyes. Here, one, and here, two. Okay, so I put this the first crab here because I want to put the other crab here. Okay, next I will draw something like oval or semicircle. It looks like a frog here, right? Now we are almost there. A curved line going down. One, another curved line going down. Okay, we have the first. This is the pincher, and I will draw a curve here, and another curve here. So I have the first giant pincher. I will draw the same one here, a curved line down, a curved line down here, and another curve as the pincher, another curve as this pincher. Okay, it's like the crab is waving. Hey, how are you? Yeah, something like that. And I will draw the mouth. The mouth looks like an O, like oi. Okay, then I will draw three little feet. The first one should be bigger than the rest, so it should be like this. Very easy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and another one here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have it. We have our first crab. The little feet, they are like banana, right? Like little banana. Okay, now I will draw the other. We have the first and I will draw the other here. Again, I will start with circles. Oh, this one is bigger. And another circle. So it looks like, what is it? This one is nearer to the camera, to you. Okay, and I will draw the semicircle here. Oops. So it's like it's looking up there, right? This one's calling, hi, how are you? Okay, and now I will draw the pincher, maybe like more like it's waving. One here, up, down. Okay, now it's like the cloud 1 and the cloud 2. The first one should be bigger. Okay, and one more here. It's here, and little one, and now it's the bigger one. Okay, and 3 feet, which looks like a bananas. 1, 2, and 3. And another one here. 1, 2 and 3. And this one is like smiling. This one's calling and this one's responding with its smile. Oi, yeah, okay. So they are happy. They are best friend, I think. Now, because we already have these two crabs, now let's draw the direction of the eye. Of course, this one's looking that way. So I will put it here. Okay. Okay. And this one's looking this way. Okay, so we finished with our crab. Okay, now I will draw like the ocean floor. Just some lines like this. Another here. Another here. So it doesn't look like they are floating or they're flying. Okay, maybe some bubbles. Oops. The air bubble. Okay, maybe also here. Okay, so I think it's quite cute. Maybe we will draw some seaweed here. Gravel. There must be some gravels, right? Okay, I think we finished with our drawing. It's time for us to color it. So I will use some oranges here. I will use these 3 oranges. This is the darkest one, and this is the lightest one. So I will combine those 3. It will give my drawing some volume, so it doesn't look flat. Okay, and I want you to experiment with your own color. You can use the same colors, of course, or even it doesn't have to be orange. It can be yellow, green. This is your drawing, so you can draw with any colors you want. Okay. And of course, to blend everything, I will use my cotton bud. Okay, that's it. We finished with our drawing today. I hope you like it and please try to do it at home. And Bubu and I will see you again next time with another drawing tutorial. I hope you would support my channel with a like and also subscribe. Okay, bye for now. See you.